Hello there, my name is Tom Scrallo and I'm bringing you this emergency Bitcoin update. And this, guys and girls, is going to be a very serious and a very important video that you really don't want to miss. Now, I'm already feeling a lot better, so thank you very much for all the support. But it doesn't matter, really. I'm here to provide incredible information, and please smash up that like button to show me your support, that I'm always there for you, and I hope that you're always there for me as well. But if you don't want to like this video, that's absolutely fine. Please still enjoy this amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because these are super important, guys and girls. And today we're gonna talk about something absolutely incredible. Some huge information right here from Crypto Rover, and also a very important aspect right here, which I really wanted to mention. Something super important and super cool is happening in Bitcoin right now that you really don't want to miss. All right, without any further ado, you've hit that like button, you've made some noise on the comments, you've commented whether you're bullish, how much Bitcoin you're holding, and how are you gonna spend that money when there's gonna be another huge bull run in Bitcoin. Let me know that in the comments, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so right now we are seeing this really nice pump happening right here. And yesterday everybody was screaming at me, Thomas, what is happening? What's going on? You've had 2 zero trades in a row. I wanted to make millions. Remember, guys and girls, that we can only react to what the market is telling us. And so far, this reaction time has been really nice. So I have about $8,000 on my side on my $200,000 trade over on Bybit. And if you want to be trading on Bybit yourself as well, then with my exclusive link, you'll get 0 maker fees and a $4,100 deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit. So click the link down in the description or in the pinned comment, watch an instruction video of how to actually claim those insane bonuses, and enjoy and get ready for these epic trades. So yesterday everybody was screaming at me, but today, I don't know, let's see if anybody's going to be screaming at me after, having a really nice profit on my side right there. So instead, call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments right now. So okay, anyway, what's most important thing is that yesterday we got rejected from a very important key market level, which is about 42. I marked it at 42,300 because I think it's more important at 42,300, and it came quite close to it, but that's perhaps where the small rejection came from. Plus also the correlation with the United States stock market, etc. Unfortunately, it's just the way it is. So currently we are attempting to break this level right now, right here, for like, I would say 30 minutes. And this is a very important key market level, guys and girls. And we've spoken about this before. I did remove it just not to have too many things, but this has been a very important key market level. So there's a lot of volume standing there, and there are a lot of confirmations like this one here. I mean, it's a floaty level, I agree with you, but still, nonetheless, it still is important for us so that we have this mapped out trading map, and so we understand where some rejections might come from. And we can see that there was a huge support right here, then a huge rejection here, a huge, like a complex false break right here, then also some support rejection here, and then etc. So, and right now we are facing some resistance at this level as well. So if you are in this long trade over on Bybit together with me and you're still in it, then here I would tell you I'm still gonna keep it, because I really want to see a big profit. I want to really take a nice chunk. So if it's gonna, again, explaining it, and as always, watch my videos from the beginning and until the end, and don't skip a single second, otherwise it's gonna be just a waste of your time. And also down in the description of this video there is a link to my free Telegram channel. Use it, subscribe to it, and you will be always notified, because I post a lot more, and I can post a lot faster in my Telegram channel than I can on YouTube. It takes a lot of effort and time and preparation to make a YouTube video, when with Telegram it's like this fast. So oftentimes some key updates are coming into my Telegram channel, so subscribe to it like right now. And so in this instance, I really, and as I mentioned in a previous video, and if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it right now. So I'm really expecting, I really want to take a bigger move, right? So, I mean, am I interested in these $8,000 here and there? Not really. So for me, I'm really interested in a bigger piece and a bigger, to see this bigger momentum play out and perhaps come and retest this area of 44,700 to 45,700. And this is what I'm counting on. So as for right now, we have this very important key market level. And this actually, if if you're already in a long trade, you can either consider keeping it, or if we break it, this could actually be super bullish as well. And a lot of people are going to be getting into this break right here, and especially in the smaller time frames. Once we close in an hourly chart, 4-hour chart, etc., as we close above this level right here, this could be a very interesting long opportunity, like increasing your position, etc. Really entirely up to you, not financial advice, just how I'm seeing it. And then potentially, if we come to retest it, you can add into it and then add into it even more. And this is, like a super careful way of doing it. However, this is very important right now, and we are seeing currently a rejection, so it is a very dangerous time. So you have to be very, very careful. As for myself, I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna ride this risk, so to speak, of us actually turning. And again, remember that if we're gonna turn, we're gonna again see some support at this area right here. So, and it's gonna be pretty much my break-even point of this whole trade. So I can actually afford to wait and see what's gonna happen, and perhaps we're gonna squeeze in here and then break above. That's going to be fine with me as well. So there are different scenarios what could happen, and no one, and I repeat, no one can predict to the point what exactly is going to happen. All we can do is react to what the market is telling us. But nonetheless, let me give you some hopium. Are you ready for some hopium? Let me know down in the comments if you're ready for some hopium. And by the way, I really hope that you've registered for Thomas Crollo online trading competition, which has a $50,000 prize pool, and it's a free registration. You just trade where you show what you can do. It doesn't matter if you're a experienced trader or a non-experienced trader. There is a link down in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. And register for free, trade, show what you can do, and win up to $50,000 in prizes of real money. And also a top winner is going to take a guaranteed seat at Crollo Trading Show Season 2. So register right now. Pause the video. Give it a second. Go down and register right now and enjoy the bonuses and all the gifts and stuff and all the prizes, which is awesome. So right now, let me give you some hopium, right? You've stuck around till the end of this video, almost to the end, and now I want to give you some awesome charts and some awesome, sick hopium. So, and which actually is a very good thing for Bitcoin and just in general, these kinds of things that I really don't lie. And we've been talking about these things for so long on this YouTube channel, and for that reason, I'm always enjoying your likes, to see your likes, and always enjoying to see many new subscribers. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. There's a lot to learn here. This is one of the best crypto YouTube channels out there. So right here, this is initially posted on Twitter by WhaleMap, so giving credit to WhaleMap. And this is basically showing us where the biggest concentration of whale positions are at, basically. So whale volume, so to speak. And here it's in the area of $38,000 to $42,000. And this is, again, if we are above 42,000, this is super bullish. If we are below $38,000, this is super bearish when it comes to this kind of a whale map and the understanding of what the whales are actually doing, which is epic actually. So for that reason, right now, when we are actually currently breaking above 42,000, and if we're going to stabilize above 42,000 and perhaps retest 42 and then go higher and potentially retest 44,700, this is going to be super bullish, and we're going to stay above this huge volume of whales, this price area of the huge volume of whales. So this is awesome, right? Some hopium, right? Now, the next piece of hopium I really wanted to give you is this right here. And this was initially posted by Crypto Rover. So giving him a thumbs up for this piece of charting as well. So this is a dollar index thing. So this is, in very simple layman terms, what we want to see in this chart is some kind of a correlation and which could help us to predict where Bitcoin is going. And as you can see, this chart starts with 2015, so it's quite reliable in terms of what it shows for the last 7 years, literally. And whenever we would see the orange one is the Bitcoin price, and the green one is the dollar index. So whenever we would see dollar index go into the red area, this would signalize basically the beginning of the bull run for Bitcoin. And as we would see the index going down into the green zone, it would actually show us the top of Bitcoin for the Bitcoin price. So, and this is what happened right here when it went into green. This is when we had the all-time high in Bitcoin. Then as it went into red right here, this right here was the beginning of the bull run to the $64,000 all-time high. And then as it went down again into green, this was, yeah, basically this was our all-time high. And so what is happening right now, it's going back into red. Booyah, look at what's happening. I mean, these kinds of correlations and these kinds of charts, guys and girls, they don't lie. Certainly, it doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to $100,000 in the next 30 minutes. Of course, I hope you don't understand. I hope that you don't interpret my words in this way. It just means that we are about to break out at some point in a week, 5 weeks, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months, but very soon. So this is something that is telling us, get ready for the next huge move. And this is super important and super cool to see. And so many pieces of these kinds of metrics and data that I've been showing you for the past few months are showing us that Bitcoin is either at the bottom already, or it is very close to being at its bottom. So for that reason also, by thinking about these things in this way, that's why I'm oftentimes, when I'm taking some kind of a trade like this, I really want to run it up and take a bigger profit. So that's why, and I really don't have time to sit there at the trading desk and trade 24/7 active like scalp trades or day trades. So for that reason, if you have time, you're sitting there and you want to take those impulses and have this kind of leverage trading, and which you can do over in Bybit by claiming my bonus, which is awesome. And you can use that money for trading. But for me, it's more, I really want to take those bigger pieces. So that's why, for example, in these previous zero trades, one was this long trade right here was a zero. And then the short trade that we had here, I lost like $300, as I said. So in this instance, really, you could have taken these profits, and actually said in one of the videos, said that when we were down here, that you can consider taking at least partial profits. But if you're an active trader, for me, it was more of a hedge. So I'm taking those bigger moves, and which means I'm going to have more zero trades, of course, or some losses here and there. But when I'm going to have a profit, it's going to be this big, like this big. All right. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay rich, and bye-bye.